the Subaru is dead and I'm sick, and today we're gonna try and fix it.
Thermostat is what keeps the coolant from flowing through the radiator until it's up to operating temp.
Okay.
So it'll generally be somewhere attached to the upper, in this case, hoses. Maybe I haven't done a thermostat on this damn thing. Maybe somewhere goofy. I probably wouldn't take that all the way out. I'll go pull the cap in a minute and that'll free it up a lot, but I'd run it in a couple turns, because otherwise it just turns into an absolute shit mess.
Okay.
The shit that's attached to it, this hose, we'll inspect that, make sure it's not spongy or looking weak. But that hose clamp, we'll pull the hose off, and then it looks like there are 3 bolts for this thermostat housing. There should be a third one up top that I can't see because the hose is there.
That thing?
Yeah. There should be 3 of those, like probably 10 millimeter.
Okay.
Hopeful and sort of confident that that's the problem.
Okay. Wait until that's done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because otherwise you'll get a face full and it tastes like shit. Ask me how I know. Nah. If you were like the new dude in the shop, then I probably wouldn't say a damn word. Just be, oh yeah, take that off. And I'm gonna go grab a sandwich, I'll be right back. And then come back to dick.
It's loose on the bottom, but it doesn't want to come loose on the top. I don't want to hurt the hose though.
Yeah, it can be kind of a delicate balancing act.
I'm not going to do that then, because I don't want to hurt the hose and I don't know what I'm doing.
Braille operation, I can see approximately jack shit.
I'm wearing it.
Well.
It didn't get in my mouth.
Huh.
But it's all over my phone.
Yeah.
And I'm taking a bath.
Well, hopefully it's definitely splash proof.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh my God.
Had to get the shiny.
Oh, shit.
You've been baptized.
And that's, oh my God. Okay, so the hose.
Power of Subaru compels you.
Okay.
More dribbling. So now we can test it in a pan of water. Doing something right now. I'm damn sure it's rated opening. So that's good.
So we're getting a thermostat. Okay, we've got the new part and now it's time to put it back in. That one looks different.
It's a little different.
Oh, it moved.
Yep. So that's how they're supposed to act.
Okay. I think he said the little pin thing goes up.
Well, or I guess on that one, just kind of...
Just turn it.
Yeah, just... Friggin' gravity.
Fuck, now it's stuck in my hair.
There's a socket in my hair.
I'm having a tough time. Okay. The internet can make fun of me for being a fucking loser. I can't really get up there to do that.
The extension's probably too much.
It is.
Anywhere else in it.
Yeah.
Might do the Amish ratchet for that part of it. It's less chunky.
All the way on like that. And then...
Yep.
slide this back down.
A lot of times on hose clamps and hoses, I'll sneak it back on the hose and then snug it just so it doesn't fall off the hose while I'm doing the rest of the stuff. I suppose I'll track down the jug of oil and filter and all that junk, and we can do that while we're down here.
Is that enough?
Let's see how it feels. It's hard telling how many low quality screwdrivers have been on this over the years.
Since we're in here, we're gonna do an oil change too. Mike got this stuff.
Yeah, it's got some additive package. It's supposed to clean all the gack out of old and or horribly neglected engines.
Like mine.
Yeah, so seemed like a good candidate.
This will be the second oil change with this.
Yeah, it's probably snug.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
And then if you push in on it as you're running it out, the threads will keep the oil from slipping past and buy you some time on how long it takes to become immersed. There you go. Raise it up a little bit.
Oh shit. Fuck.
Well, we'll just let it drain a bit.
I was trying not to.
Become apparent. It goes in more often than it doesn't, honestly.
It's like a reddish, brownish color.
I didn't see any great big chunks, so that's kind of nice. It's definitely dark.
It looks like coffee.
Yeah, it's not very tasty coffee.
No. Greg sent me a bunch of people saying coffee in New York. And he's like, learn how to say it properly. Coffee. 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 So my friend Greg is from Yonkers. And I made a video, which I'll put in here, of everybody at the fire station saying coffee. Because he says it funny. It's coffee. Say it.
It's coffee.
Good. Coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee. And he got really mad at me. And now he makes fun of me every time I say it. He tells me to shut up. It looks like coffee.
Looks like that's pretty well done doing its thing, so you can run that dude back in. It drained nicely in spite of not being all operating temp and stuff.
Oh, are you supposed to do it when it's warmer?
It makes it faster generally. It just thins it out so it'll run out. So flip that around because it'll be going this way. So you want pressure on the moving jaw.
Like this way?
Yeah.
How? Okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
Big leverage. If you have the room to use giant friggin' channel locks, yeah, it's just easier. You can screw around with the filter wrenches and all that junk, but if I've got space to put big stupid channel locks on it, I will do that every time. It's just better. Whoops. There's a little spot here for filters, so they can just drain and do whatever.
It's
Now,
coffee. It really does. Can you see it through it from here? Because I got the light shining through it on the side.
Just a little bit. It doesn't look terrible, honestly. Something to check here is make sure that the gasket came with the filter.
And then I stick my finger in and just go around the edge.
Yep,
that?
just enough that the O-ring isn't going on dry. There's enough still on that was never going to be a concern.
It's so slick now.
Yeah, I'll hand you the towel here in a sec. Once the gasket makes contact, which I would say is right there, and you want to go another half to 3/4 turn past that. Getting footage of God knows what.
The decals face down now.
Much.
Okay.
I should get her.
And that's it?
Yep.
And then I put oil in the top. I'll just add that I am what they call in the fire service a white cloud, which means when I'm available, absolutely nothing happens. And this week, I've been out sick for a week, and with the Subaru being down, we've had 5 fires since I've been out. Nothing before then, nothing at all. But now, 5 fires this week.
Once the Subaru is up, your radios are charged, your gear's on board, nothing.
Yeah, that's exactly what's gonna happen.
I think it'll be just the whole friggin' thing.
Well, it definitely got dark pretty fast, so it definitely did something.
It did stuff, for sure. 12-2, it's progressing. Oh, good, lighter up, I guess. See how much stuff bubbles up on it.
Oh, it sucked it right down.
That's what's nice about this. You can load it up a little extra heavy, and anything it doesn't take, you just plug it off with this, take it off, stick it back in here, and then pull this and drain it into the things. No mess. Parts are good. It's not bubbling furiously like a head gasket. It's just puke and combustion into it. So
Okay.
that's good. Gotta make sure I don't stick a finger into a pulley.
Yeah,
That'd be a bad thing.
that would be very bad.
Get mad at safety shit because you don't need to worry about safety.
You got a medic.
Yeah. Well, it sounds good. I don't hear any horrible rattles or any of that kind of crap, so take it as I can get it. It's probably not going to be a shitload to bleed out.
Yeah. How come?
Well, we've got it nose up and the little thing in the top of the thermostat to let the air bleed off and stuff.
Okay.
There's just a bubble every now and then. Nothing too exciting. Good. I don't want excitement right now.
No, I don't either.
It's boring and dumb.
I want it to be very boring. Okay. We're gonna give her a little test run. Well, it didn't shoot right up. So that's good.
And we'll find out on the way back up because we both know how mean this driveway can be.
Well, I don't think it got hurt.
Oh, thank God. Because I was really not wanting to pull this engine and do all that. That is encouraging because it would have done it by now, yeah?
Yeah, oh yeah. It was almost instantaneous. When you put it in drive, the temp just shot up. No, this is good. This is really good.
We may have a fix.
We may. Oh, fuck yeah. Yay. I smell coolant though.
Yeah.
In a big way. Thank you, Mike, for helping me. There's a spider. Go outside. Go outside, Spidey. Yay. It's fixed.
Hopefully
It's
that
fixed.
is it and it's done and
Go out.
back to some normalcy.
Thank God. And then as soon as I'm done being sick, I go back to duty. And then we won't get any more fires.
1 week later.
Remember how we just fixed my car like this week? It broke again. Yay.